Hello all. So in the previous lecture, we had seen half of the operators, right? So this was the continuation of your previous video. So first you need to know what are the operators and how many types. So those you can check out from the previous video, right? So in this lecture, we are going to learn the rest other whatever we had left in the previous video. Those operators will cover, and also we'll check out the precedence and associativity of the operators. Okay. So yes, so first we'll see the rest of the operators which are yet pending. Okay, so the first one. So what did we left out with the assignment operator? So previously we had seen your relational, arithmetic, and logical bitwise operators we had covered in the previous lecture. So now we'll see the assignment operators. So assignment, as the name itself, it is trying to assigning some values to the operands. Okay, so here you will have equals to and assignment, subtract and add and subtract and multiply and divide and modulus and left shift and right shift and bitwise exclusive or bitwise inclusive, or so these all are different types of operators which are there in your assignment operator. So the following table lists the assignment operators supported in your C language. So simple assignment operator assigns values from right side operand to the left side operand. So if I'll give C is equals to a plus b value is assigned to the variable C. And add and assignment operator, it adds the right operand to the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. So see here, C plus is equals to A. It adds right operand to the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. So this is nothing but A is equivalent to C. Okay. And C is C plus A. Clear? C plus is equals to A is nothing but C plus A. You are assigning to the variable C. And then subtract and C minus is equals to A, which is equivalent to C is equals to C minus A. So instead of writing C is equals to C minus A, simply you are writing C minus is equals to A. So this is nothing but your subtract and. And then next comes your multiply and assignment. It multiplies the right operand with the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. So C star is equals to A, which is equals to C is equals to C star A. And divide and assignment operator, it divides the left operand with the right operand and assigns the result to the left operand. C forward slash is equals to A, which is equivalent to C is equals to C by A. Okay, and modulus is equals to, that is modulus and assignment operator. It takes a modulus using two operands and assigns the result to the left operand. So C modulus is equals to A, which indirectly means that C is equals to C modulus of A. And then your left shift and assignment operator. So C left shift towards 2, which is same as C is equals to C left shift of the second value. And next right shift and assignment operator. So it is C greater than is equals to 2, which means that C is equals to C is twice right shifted. That is C greater than towards 2. Okay, and next bitwise and assignment operator, C and is equals to 2, which is same as C is equals to C ampersand 2, and operator you are performing on 2, right? Bitwise exclusive OR and assignment operator. So C bitwise exclusive OR is equals to 2, which means C is equals to C cap 2. Next, bitwise inclusive OR and assignment operator is C modulus is equals to, sorry, C pipe symbol, OR symbol is equals to 2, which is same as C is equals to C pipe of 2. Okay, so what is this pipe, what is this, and how the logic is being applied already we had seen in your previous video. So if you are having any queries, you can go and check it in your previous video. Okay, and then next comes our miscellaneous operators. So those are nothing but your size of and ternary operators. Yes, besides these operators are discussed above, there are a few other important operators including size of and ternary which are supported in your C language. So first one is size of, returns the size of variable. See, if in the previous lectures we had seen how much memory is allocated for some particular variable. If you are writing integer a, what is the size of that variable? Then you can use size of a. If it is an integer, you'll get float 4 as output. If it is float, you'll get as 8. Right? If it is char, then you'll get as 1 byte of memory. So the size of that particular variable will be shown. Next, ampersand returns the address of variable. So ampersand a returns the actual address of the variable. Where is that address in your memory? Okay. And then next comes your pointer. Pointer to a variable is nothing but it will store the address of another variable. Okay, so for time being, you just remember the size of and ternary. These again, you're having the complete concepts. What is that address of? What is that pointer to a variable? Okay, and this conditional operator also we had seen in the previous lecture. Conditional operator, if the condition is true, then X, otherwise value Y. So that's what we had seen. If A is greater than B, then A or else B. So when you are applying on 3 variables, and that is nothing but your ternary operator. Okay, so these are few miscellaneous operators which are there in your C. So we had seen relational, logical, arithmetic, bitwise assignment, and then miscellaneous operators. Okay, so next comes our operator precedence and associativity. So what is the precedence and associativity? Precedence is the importance. So if I write A plus B minus C, which one should I do perform? Either addition or my subtraction. So that is a confusion between those expressions, what to consider first and what to consider next. So that is given by your precedence. And coming to your associativity, if suppose two operators are having same priority, then which one has to be performed? So that is nothing but your associativity. Okay, so the concept of operator precedence and associativity in C helps in determining which operator will be given priority when there are multiple operators in the expression. And it is very common to have multiple operators in C language, and the compiler first evaluates the operator with the higher precedence. It helps to maintain the ambiguity of the expressions and help us in avoiding unnecessary use of parentheses. You know, even when you are trying with the mathematics and all, you used to use the BODMAS rule, that is brackets and addition symbol, I think division and multiplication. So you are having BODMAS rule, right? So that one you will use, and you use to find out the expression value. So similarly, here precedence is used for solving out the expressions in your C. For example, so the same example, what did I said just now? Multiplication operator has higher precedence than the addition operator. For example, x is equals to 7 plus 3 into 2. Here x is assigned 13, not 20, because operator star has the higher precedence than plus. So it first gets multiplied with 3 into 2 and then adds into 7, right? So this priority of these operands is nothing but your precedence. So here operator with the highest precedence appear on top of the table in the next slide, and those with the lowest appear at the bottom. And within an expression, higher precedence operators will be always evaluated first, like in the above example. So here comes your table. So first precedence 1. So what are having the highest precedence values are in the 1 first position. You're having the parenthesis, you're having square brackets, you're having dot operator, you're having the structure operator, you're having increment and decrement, post increment and decrement. So all these are different operators which are having the highest priority. Okay, and these, its associativity is always from left to right. If suppose you are having in one expression only you are having normal parenthesis and the square brackets, then what you'll do, from left you will start. Okay, solution. And then next is the second priority values are prefix increment, decrement, unary plus or minus, and not, bitwise complement, type, that is cast operator, dereference, that in just now we had said pointer, no? So that operator, address of operator, size of operator. So all these belongs to the second precedence. So first is the previous slide, second precedence values are all these operators. Okay, and this one has to be from right to left. It's associativity. If suppose in the same equation I got this logical not and bitwise row, both are there in one single expression, then you will start from right to left. Okay, and then next, coming to the third one, you will have multiplication, division, and modulus. So these three are of third priority. They are having the third precedence values. And if these three are there in the same expression, then you will move from left to right. And coming to your fourth, addition or subtraction, it is left to right. And then your bitwise shift left and bitwise shift right, you will move from left to right. Relational operators, less than or equals to, or greater than or equals to, these are also from left to right. And then next, equals to, not equals to, these are also from left to right. Ampersand, bitwise and, that is left to right. Cap, that is cap, nothing but your exclusive or, that is also from left to right. And 10th one is pipe symbol, bitwise inclusive or, that is left to right. And then ampersand, that is nothing but your logical and left to right, logical or left to right. Question mark, that is your ternary operator, then you will have your right to left. And then the 14th one, you are having the assignment values, assignment and addition, assignment subtraction, assignment multiplication, division, assignment modulo and bitwise and operations, bitwise exclusive, inclusive or bitwise shift left, right assignment. Right, so all these comes, assignment operators are coming into the fourth, and its associativity is from right to left. Okay, and then finally you are having a comma expression separator, then you, that one you will be moving its associativity from left to right. Right, so that was a table that you need to consider, where I mean how the compiler is going to consider the precedences of the operators is the above table. Okay, you just need to know which is the precedence. If suppose you are having some multiplication and modulo division, then what you should do, first you will be doing the highest priority multiplication and then you will do the modulo division. So such type of small differences you need to know. That is the reason I had given the table. You can just go through that if you are having any doubt. And then next comes your operator associativity. So operator associativity is used when two operators of the same precedence appear in the expression. That's what I said. If suppose you are having plus and minus in one single expression, which one should I do? Either left to right or right to left. Then you go back to the previous slides and you check out if you are having the plus and minus in one single expression. See here, it is a fourth one. Then I had plus as well as subtraction in one single expression. Then what will I do? I'll do from left to right associativity I have to use. So such type of things should be known for you from that table. Okay. So yes, example, let us evaluate the following expression: 10/5 modulus of 2. So here both division and modulus operators have the same precedence. So the order of evaluation will be decided by the associativity. According to the given table, the associativity of multiplicative operators are from left to right. So now what I should do? I should consider this whole expression and I am taking this one as left part and this is as my right part. So 100/5, what is the answer? I'll get 20, and 20 modulus of 2 if I'll do, then I got the value as 0. So in this format, the expression will be evaluated by considering the associativity. Okay, precedence is you will find out which operator has to be performed first, which operation has to be performed first. Associativity will find out if suppose two operators are having same precedence, then which one you should move, either from left to right or from right to left. So that is decided by your associativity. Okay, and that's all for today's video. In this lecture, we had learned the rest over parts of your operators, like assignment operators and your conditional operators. And then we had seen your associativity and precedence of the operators. Hope you like this one. Thank you all.